Have a powerful and reliable daily driver with the Eunorau e-TORQUE electric bike. This low-profile e-bike sports a convenient low-step cruiser frame with a powerful electric powertrain and packed with modern features for urban environments. You will love riding this cruiser electric bike, featuring a low step-through frame and a powerful 350-watt hub motor that quickly accelerates on smooth pavement. This model has a 36V lithium-ion battery pack with 12.5 amp-hour capacity. The electric city bike has a range of 40 to 50 miles, so it has more than enough for a day or two. The Eunorau e-TORQUE bike features a thumb throttle and a pedal assist. The throttle gives power in your hands to speed on the road effortlessly. The pedal assist is hooked to a torque sensor that provides accurate torque to ease pedaling. The bike also has a 7-speed SHIMANO push-button transmission to control and ride it like an ordinary bike. It is a capable electric bike made for durability. The bike has a 6061 aluminum frame that is not prone to rust. It has rims with stainless steel spokes and Kenda tires with K-Shield protection to deal with harsh terrain and protect against punctures. Buy yours now at Electric Bike Paradise and save hundreds of dollars in total savings. We ensure you the lowest price available, free shipping to lower 48 of USA, no sales tax outside Wyoming, and other Electric Bike Paradise exclusive promos and freebies. Limited stock on hand, so get yours now before they're gone. Welcome to Electric Bike Paradise, your #1 source to find the best electric bikes for sale. We're dedicated to giving you the very best electric bikes, with a focus on selection, quality, and uniqueness. Shop our selection of name brand electric bikes today and get free shipping plus no sales tax and more.